Well, here we are once again, folks, right in the heart of Storm Spinal Fusion. 3/16/26. Right in the heart of it, Ishpeming, Michigan. And my golly, look at this snow. This was all cleaned and walked through 3 days ago. This is what we got in the last 3 days. Absolutely unbelievable. I've been here 54 years. And they're saying it's a record for getting the most snow in several days. I'm believing them. Right here, we walk through here. This is our walkway. There's a sidewalk here, and you go around the house, and between the houses here to the road. This was all open 3 days ago. Now it's well, I'm a shorter fella, 5'4". This snow is right about, well, there's a fence there. That fence is 7 feet. You can see where we're at here. So that snow is about 6 feet high there. Unreal with the drift 6 feet high. Neighbors' yards, nobody's living there. We have 2 empty lots next door. That looks to me to be about 9-10 feet of snow. And it goes for 2 yards lengths, which is about 80 feet. Here's our truck. This is our walkway. We usually walk right through here into the driveway. This was all open up, like I said, once again, 3 days ago. Maverick's enjoying it. Actually, he absolutely hates it, as we all do. Finally got through to the alley here. Natalie did a great job here busting through. How you feeling, Natalie?
Great. Why are you so close to me? Okay.
Took forever just to get to the alley here. This is what we're dealing with after 3 days. Snowstorm Spinal Fusion 2026. Got a long way to go. Neighbors having fun over there. Yeah, there's another neighbor. We got an asshole one that throws all the snow in the alley. Here, I'll record them just so you can all see it. Guess where you think that goes? Where do you think it goes? Comes right into my frickin' yard. This is it, folks. This is usually widened right out. You can see from that fence post there over to this telephone pole. That's usually all cleaned up. My neighbor, he's kind of fucked. He ain't going anywhere. I just had a back surgery 6 days ago, so I'm basically out here helping Natalie, supervising her when she uses a snowblower for the first time. If you're going to learn how to use a snowblower, this is it. You'll be a journeyman by the end of this day. It sucks, folks. We're breaking records. It's shitty living up here. You got 8 months of this shit. 1 month, maybe spring and fall. And if you're lucky, you get 90 days of summer. And they ain't much to talk about. They're short. But yeah, we're dealing with 50, 60 mile per hour winds here right now. Just buried. Nobody's got anywhere to throw their snow. It's terrible. Absolutely terrible. We're going to take a break now. Go inside the house and warm up a bit. We'll be back out here. We got to get our truck out of here. Wow. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. Look at these banks. These are easily 10 feet banks. Chris is just loving it.